Now we will look into arithmetic series. We know series in general means adding. So arithmetic series basically mean adding terms. So we had seen problems on partial sum. Now there are two set formulas. So if you know the first term and the last term, nth term, then you can use this general formula to easily find the sum of those terms. Now, what it means is if you know 1 and some terms are there and then say 54. If you know these two, this the a1 and an, you can easily use this formula and find it out. But if now, provided you should know n value, now if you do not know a1 and an but you know the d value, then you need to use this formula. This is just derived from the above one. Over here you're substituting an equals a1 plus n minus 1d, and then you substitute and you get this formula. This is the alternate formula. It is summation of nth terms equals n by 2, 2 times the first term plus n minus 1d. Here it is n times the first term plus the nth term divided by 2. This is the last term. Now we will see some problems on this. They are very, very simple and easy. Here you need to find the sum of 12, 19, 26 up till 180. When you look at this, you understand this is a series. Now what do? All you need to do is take the first term. First term is 12. Nth term, an, is 180. Now what is d? D is 19 minus 12. The second term minus the first term or the previous term is 7. Okay. Why do we find D? The reason is we do not know an value in this. So we need n before we can use one of those formulas. Now in this case we know a1, an, even we know D. But we need to know n in both the cases. Without that we cannot solve. So what do we do is to find the n, you can use this formula and solve. See, a1 is 12, an is 180, d is 7. You can easily solve for n. So nth term, first term, the common difference, n is unknown, you're just solving for it. Now when you simplify, 7 times n is 7n, negative 1 times 7 is minus 7. This 12 goes to the other side, it becomes 180 minus 12, it's 168. Now you're taking this 7 to the other side and dividing by 7. Basically it is 168 minus 7 goes to the other side, plus 7 divided by 7. So that would be 175 divided by 7. And the answer is 25. 25 7 times is 175. So that is the n value. Now next, what do is you need to use either of the formula, either Sn or you know the first one, the general form, or the alternate form. Now all we are doing, it's up to you over here. Now over here the alternate form is used. It's up to you. You can even try this with the general form. You will get the same answer. The answer does not change. Sn over here, this is the longer, but it's simpler because we have used similar formula. Just a little bit here and there, you can easily grasp this. Substitute the values. S25, this is the 25th term, so 25 divided by 2, and 2 times A1 is the 12, and N is again 25 minus 1 times D. Put this entirely in calculated using the proper brackets, you'll get the answer 2400. So that is the answer. Now, over here, the next problem is to find the first 3 terms. Okay, it's very simple. We have done this, finding the terms, but here look at the given. A1, the first term is given, A and the last term is given, and the sum of nth term is given. So now here you need to find the first 3 terms. We need D value, otherwise we cannot go anywhere. So how do you find D value? You can't find D value directly. Now from this given thing, what can you find? You can find n because we have this formula over here. Sn equals n times a1 plus an divided by 2. So substitute all known values and you'll get n. So 430, n times 7 plus 79 divided by 2. Solve it, you will get the answer to n, that is 10. What next? Now you can use the formula the an formula and solve. See, an equals a1 plus n minus 1d. All you're doing is substitute this. An is 79, a1 is 7, n we just now found out is 10 minus 1 times d. Put this in the, you can just solve this directly. 9 times d over here, this goes to the other side. 79 minus 7 is 72. 72 divided by 9 is 7 times, sorry, 8 times, my bad. So 9 8s are 72. So then what happens is, that's it, we get the d value. But what do we need to do? It's not stopped over here. We need to find the first three terms. The first term is known, yes, 7. What is the second term? Add the d value. Add 8 to 7, you will get the second term. And similarly, add 8 to the second term, you will get the third term. So 7 plus 8 will be 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. So this is how we can find the terms with the summation given. Again, I'll repeat, it's very important to find n, and once you know n, a1, an, you can find d, and then keep adding d to find the terms.